Hello and welcome back to another review of diecast car with my name Mrs. Polo, and today we are going to reviewing this gorgeous of a Porsche 911 GT3 from factory fresh series 10 from 10 number 199 from 250. This one is color is matte black, previously colored in blue. Okay, this is the artwork for this Porsche. And this is the back of the car as usual. Let's go find out what's the big hit for this Porsche. Okay, let's go open this Porsche. This is the artwork for this Porsche. And look at that. Look at this Porsche, this matte, the black matte of Porsche. Okay, now let's talk about this on outside the bubble. As you can see, it came with a black matte color, nicely done. You can see there's a door handle there, side mirror there, nicely rims here. I like the matte black, it looking great. And you can see there, right? The logo for the Porsche, because the color is matte black, the logo is looking stunning. You can see the headlights still there, the grille there, nice. The right side is the same as the left side of the car. Now, this is the rear parts of the car. As you can see, there's a Porsche written there, 911 GT3 for the license plate. There's a livery for the taillights there, muffler there, nice, right? You can see there's a GT3 here, there, right? GT3. Okay, this is the Porsche from the top. Oh, you can see the hood is colored in a glossy black, I think. Yep, you can see the top hood has a different color. It came with a glossy black, meanwhile the other body parts came with a matte black, including the spoiler here. Nice. The interior came in black. Okay, and for the base, there's nothing going on the base. Porsche 911 GT3 2021 metal, okay, made in Malaysia. Like it. Okay, let's put this Porsche 911 GT3 from factory fresh number 10 from 10 on the turntable, so you can see how great this cast this time with color of a black matte, but has a different color on the hood, top hood, which is glossy black. Okay, and one thing that also I like it, you can see the logo from the front hood there, it's stunning. Okay guys, I hope you do enjoy our reviewing this time on this Porsche 911 GT3 factory fresh from Hot Wheels. We will see you soon to reviewing another diecast car. Have a nice day and goodbye.